Well, guys, my video may shut off, but I wanted to get another part of 32. Even if it does shut off, it'll be fine. Kind of too many parts and taking too long here. That's one reason I don't film at this location. That's awesome right there. Hopefully this train is not deadly long. I got a feeling this train is really long. That screeching and squealing is another reason why I don't film at this location. I'm hoping the end of this thing hurries up and come on, and I mean, stumble on that train is the CSX I-32 Intermodal combo train. That train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida, heads north to North Bergen, New Jersey, where it terminates.